60 minutes overtime.
So tell me how this works.
So I'm going to pick 4 notes from this hat. Oh, you can pick 4 notes.
I'll
whatever.
pick them.
Yes.
All right.
And then I'm going to improvise a piece based on them.
All right. Now, we didn't work out anything by arrangement earlier.
C,
Oh.
La, Mi, Sol. It's interesting. So I'll just think about it for a few
Oh, please, yes.
For me, the most important thing in music is the melodies. It's not if it has to be everything very complex and very serious, but actually so that people actually want to listen to it and enjoy it. Sometimes when I get the melodies, I hear them just sung, or I hear a melody for orchestra. But then actually sitting down and developing the melodies, and that's really the difficult part, having to tell a real story with the music.
Wonderful. Now, you just made that up before our eyes. It's not written down. Will it never be played again?
Well, I can't remember everything that I did in this improvisation. I can never remember. Maybe I'll write down the melody, because it was quite a nice melody, I think. I can write it down in my notebook, maybe for when I'm writing a piece. But I can't remember the whole improvisation, no. I can never, ever, ever remember.